Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video, which is a laundry day. I always post laundry day on Friday. I always make sure or make it possible that I am able to load it on Friday so that those who do laundry on Friday do get motivation. And I don't know if you'll get motivated for the next day, but yeah. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider yourself subscribing, considering that you like this kind of content. I do laundry, cleaning, groceries, and yeah, anything lifestyle, but the lifestyle comes sometimes since my dashboard camera holder has been broken and I think of buying one. Yeah, I think of getting one because really I am missing out on some captions on the road. You find you passing by beautiful views and you cannot capture them with your phone on the hand while driving at the same time. So I'm just sorting out the laundry, but this day I was lazy, honestly speaking. I was just doing laundry because it was a laundry day for me. I do it every Saturday in the morning while I'm still fresh, but sometimes I'm not fresh. I just wake up because I have to do some errands. Yeah, you guys, this will be 2 loads. Sometimes I just force it to be 2 loads, guys, but honestly I just force it to be 2 loads because I need to finish and go. One other thing with me is that if I wake up in the morning and go out of the gate, that's just it with me. I am finished. My energy is demoralized. I am completely out of the edge. So yeah, when I come back, I'm gonna do nothing at all. Trust me, when I come back from doing the laundry, I become someone who is very tired, not energetic and all stuff. I just need to sit down, but I can't since Saturday is my big day of doing home chores. Cleaning the yard, the house, washing, everything in the house. So that Sunday I get a proper rest. See? Let's do the laundry. And for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for supporting this channel. I really do appreciate your presence. I know data is so expensive here in South Africa, but you guys make sure that you pass by my channel, you pass by my videos, and that is completely insane. That is amazing. I love you guys for always returning back. And you guys who are watching this for the first time, my name is Elizabeth, and in this video today I am going to be washing and drying out in the sun. Then yeah, that's just it. No folding. I'm not folding in this video, but trust me, I fold my laundry the same day. Even if I can be lazy, however way, I do make sure I fold my laundry the same day. That's just me. So enjoy the video, and from here I won't be talking anything. Oh, before I go, do you see that I was using Domestos on some other materials, the white materials? Mistakenly it popped into a certain t-shirt. When it popped there, then the t-shirt was bleached, guys. So I was so upset, but anyway, it's an old t-shirt that doesn't even matter that much. So enjoy this video and have a nice weekend, guys. Have a lovely weekend. That is, I post this today on Friday, but I may post today or Saturday, whichever way. Enjoy your weekend, guys.
times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
And one other thing with me, guys, as you can see on the floor, I have put a blanket. There's a reason why I am putting that blanket, guys. Now I don't want to clean the whole bathroom because I spilled the water everywhere. So the water must spill on the blanket, and then when I'm done, I remove the blanket. The floor is back to normal, the clean the way I got it. So the purpose of the blanket there, every time when you see it, is for me to spill on it, to spill water on it, and then take it out and put it outside. The blanket is not working anymore. It's not being utilized by anyone. Those are old, very old blankets that when we grew up, we just found them in the house. So I am taking advantage of that. I don't want to clean the whole bathroom after doing laundry. That's just me. I don't want to get tired before I go to work at my own place. So yeah, let's rinse this first load.
Be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out, 'cause it's full apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer.
And normally I try to at least fold my laundry a bit while putting them in the spin tub, so that, okay, the instruction says fold them, put them inside there so that they can spread evenly. That thing, if the washing is not, if the laundry is not evenly spread in the tub, it won't spin correctly, so it will just make some funny noise telling you that I am not packed so nicely, and the water won't be squeezed out like that, won't be drained out, not squeezed, yeah, like that. So, and another thing for me to fold them, you know, those who are using an automated washing machine, the laundry is always shrinked, like you have to iron them no matter what. So for me, because some of my clothes, a lot of them do not require ironing, and if you fold them like that, when you hang them like that, they just come out nicely.
Longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do is to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do, we need to get out of this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves a scar. Oh, this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves a scar. We need to get out. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end. Holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.